Some call it high-performance fabric. We call it the most logical fabric in the outdoor industry today. Nuvella, worry-free fabrics for today's lifestyle. Here are some great things to know about Nuvella. It's kid-proof, pet-proof, weatherproof, life-proof, just about all-proof. It's fade-resistant, stain and mildew-resistant, bleach cleanable, exceptionally durable, has great subtle hand, and it is chemical-free, no PFCs. Super easy to care for and clean. Nuvella fabrics keep their color for years, regardless of wear and tear and cleaning. Nuvella is the ultimate high-performance outdoor fabric choice featuring 100% solution-dyed material. Nuvella is eco-friendly. Go green with Nuvella. Solution-dyed fabrics are eco-friendly with a minimal carbon footprint. In the solution-dyed process, color is added during the fiber extrusion stage. This is an environmentally responsible and friendly manufacturing process. There are no effluents produced by this clean technology that protects our environment, our air, our rivers, and oceans. In addition, these fabrics are inherently mildew and mold resistant, a must for a healthy lifestyle. And the absolute plus is, it's bleach cleanable. Nuvella solution dyed yarns have 100% dyed through intensity, giving them long-lasting color protection that will not rub off or fade, not even when cleaned with bleach. In solution dye, the color penetrates all the way to the core of the fiber, like a carrot, as opposed to conventional dyeing that will only penetrate the edge of the fiber, like a radish. Nuvella high abrasion textures have performance durability under intense use. Nuvella solution dyed fabrics exceed both indoor and outdoor UV requirements. Nuvella high performance fabrics are great for active people and families and pets. Best of all, Nuvella fabrics are 100% recyclable. So, find out for yourself why buyers around the world are embracing our Nuvella fabrics. And don't forget to recycle.